In this short example, we read in a multi-dimensional dataset, which we then take through several pre-processing steps, and ultimately, we're able to visualize our data in a two-dimensional space. After reducing our original dataset of 10,000 document vectors to 800, we use the Python script node to do dimensionality reduction with the t-SNE algorithm. However, unlike uses of the Python script node that you may have seen before, here we don't write the code line by line. We can simply import the code from a Jupyter notebook we've already built to do t-SNE embedding on numeric vectors. Once we've imported the notebook, we can use the code it contains on our dataset. For those of you who are familiar with Jupyter, we are using KNIME's standard approach to call Python. You don't need to have a Jupyter server running. We execute the node together with the rest of the workflow and take a look at the visualization. We now see our dataset displayed in a two-dimensional space.